Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that can save you a ton of frustration: how to recover a locked Amazon account in 2025. Whether it's due to forgotten passwords, suspicious activity, or security measures, getting back into your account is easier than you might think. I'm going to walk you through the steps clearly and quickly, so you can get back to shopping in no time. First things first, why does this happen? Amazon locks accounts to protect your information from potential threats, like unauthorized access or unusual login attempts. But don't worry, recovery is straightforward if you follow these updated guidelines for 2025. Step 1. Check your email and any linked devices. Amazon often sends notifications about account issues, so look for emails from them in your inbox or spam folder. This might include a link to start the recovery process. If you see one, click it and follow the prompts. Step 2. Head over to the Amazon website. Go to Amazon.com and click on the Sign In button. Below that, you'll find a Need Help or Forgot Your Password link. Click that to access the account recovery page. Make sure you're using a secure connection. Look for HTTPS in the URL. Step 3. Enter your registered email address or phone number. Amazon will send a verification code to that contact method. Once you receive it, enter the code on the site to verify your identity. This step is crucial for security, so double-check for accuracy. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. You'll be prompted to create a new, strong password. Aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to meet 2025's enhanced security standards. After that, you might need to answer security questions or provide additional verification, like a credit card on file. Step 5. Once your account is unlocked, take a moment to review your account settings. Enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. It's a game changer for preventing future locks. Also, update any outdated information to keep everything secure. And if these steps don't work, don't panic. Contact Amazon's customer support through their help center. They have 24/7 chat options now in 2025, making it super convenient. In summary, recovering your locked Amazon account is all about staying calm and following the verification process. By doing this, you'll safeguard your purchases and personal data. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.